You had it all, Robin. A movie queen at 24. And you slammed all the open doors, crushed all the dreams. But then Aaron's condition started going downhill.
Eventually, you will be completely blind.
This proposal won't be on the table again. Robin Wright for Jeff Green.
You were the future, Robin. You're a princess bride. And now I'm in this situation.
What situation are you in, Jeff?
The situation of offering you the last contract that you'll ever have. We want to scan you. All of you, your body, your face, your emotions, your laughter, your tears. And we want to own this thing called Robin Wright.
I have to take care of my son.
Robin, things are changing quickly. We're entering a new age.
Once we've scanned you, there's no going back.
Welcome to the Futurist Congress.
So you're here too, huh?
You and I are the only ones who survived.
Who are all the rest?
Characters. They invented.
Are you Robin Wright?
Yes, at least I used to be. There is no way I can imagine Aaron in this world.
I crossed over 6 months ago.
To find Aaron, we have to go on a very long journey.
What's on the other side?
Truth.
Can I go back to where I came from?
There is no such thing as the place that you came from.